How to fix blurry photos, stories or reels on Instagram. It's an easy process, so let's start. So first of all, hit the subscribe button. That's helped me guys, so thank you. So when you open Instagram app and see blurry photos or videos, that means two problems might be happened. First one is your internet connection and second, just follow. The first one is just check your internet connection is stable or not. So just you can go through a browser and search speed test and you can check your internet speed, so that after that you can determine your internet connection is stable or not. So after that, just open your app and then go to the profile and click to the three dot menu. After that, just click to the settings options and then click to the account and scroll down and click to the cellular data use. After that, if you see the data saver is turned on, so just turn off this. After that, click to the upload at highest quality and then your problem will be gone. So that's the process I can fix blurry photos, stories or reels on Instagram problem. So hope this helps you. If this helps you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel for more informative videos. See you in the next one.